Yes, hello and welcome to a new tutorial about our new feature to locate part number availability. To start off, just go in the search bar, type in a desired TELE part number. In this case, we're looking for our E1ZMQ10 timer. Click on search to locate product pages. This works with any part number that we manufacture. You click on the desired part, and the first thing that will pop into your vision is pretty much a brand new traffic light system. So this will pretty much check our headquarters delivery status on parts and show you whether parts are available in production or out of stock. Now, if you want to have this timer relay that's very commonly sold, you just type in the desired quantity. It will show you immediately that this part is right in stock. The good to go green traffic light will appear, and you're good to go for a nice party. Let's say you want to have 950 pieces. It will indicate, uh, I would check twice um, because it seems like the lead time is 35 days, and that's just for the entire 950 pieces, keep in mind. If you want to have, let's say, half the quantity now and half the quantity later, um, you type in 425, 475, um, you would see that this quantity is in stock. And that's all the magic about our brand new delivery status and inventory um, check feature on our website.